So what's on the table today? Well, we have a Corona Zephyr portable typewriter. This is quite the vintage model. It is from 1938. It has the carrying handle here. Now this button would have been used to release the latch that opens it. It's a little stuck, so it's kind of stuck open, so we can just open this right up here and reveal the typewriter itself. So as you can tell, it's definitely has the old school version of the layout. It has the round typewriter keys, which just look wonderful. All the keys are here. They're in pretty good shape. Well, sorry, all the keys except for the number 1, it is missing. But everything else is here. This guy here, I don't believe has seen regular use since probably the 60s. With a little kind of play use up through the 80s and 90s by kids. But overall, it's in good shape. Everything does seem to be here. The ribbon is, I'm guessing, pretty original to the time. The carriage is attached. It still has a good movement to it. After a couple of keys, they will get stuck, as that one did. The sound it makes is fantastic. When I think old typewriter sound, that's what I think of. It has a great sound to it. I don't know really what else too much we can say. I mean, the craftsmanship on it's great. I mean, everything seems to fit well. I mean, this here, which is for, moving the assembly up, it's just, they don't build stuff like this now. I mean, everything is just nicely fitted. I mean, you can tell this spot here is for, your thumb fits in there. It's nice. With the logo, a little bit of rust and wear, but, with this being from 1938, that is pretty expected. Has the measurement for the page width or the margins. Has this little button here. Not quite sure what it does. I don't know typewriters super well. I just know enough to know that they type letters. Even though it is portable, it does weigh in at 9 pounds. But when a typical typewriter, I'm guessing desktop model, was looking at somewhere around, I don't know, maybe 25 to 50 pounds. And seeing this is all metal construction, 9 pounds is not that bad. For anyone looking for a size comparison to a modern device, just in case. This is a IBM ThinkPad T40 laptop. We'll just open that up real quick. So that's about the rough size. I forget the size of the screen on this laptop. I think it's a 15-inch screen on here, maybe a 13. And the typewriter is a good size, and I would definitely say pretty portable. So, all right, now that's what we have. So that, again, Corona Zephyr, 1938, your 9-pound portable typewriter.